A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. The bus is about to explode. Okay, so I've just got to my hotel room. It's a hostel, but they have single rooms only, and it's so weird. It's really, really weird. It's 37 degrees today as well. How sweaty I am. It's so hot, really. Just really weird room. Oh God. But yeah, to get here was a serious mission. So me and Sarah woke up at 6 o'clock and we rode the motorbike for an hour and a half, where we returned the motorbike. We then got a bus at 9 a.m, which was late. Good?
1,000. It was really good.
Coco Loco. This one.
It feels like
Yeah, but on the way, smoke started coming out. The bus is about to explode. And this woman at the back started screaming and saying, "Stop the bus, stop the bus." And we had to, you know, evacuate the bus. And it was actually kind of scary. We actually all thought the bus was about to explode. So our bus nearly exploded. And instead of getting on the other bus like everyone else, there was no room for us. So we're now on the same bus again, because the guy was like, "Oh, it's just the oil burning." Yeah, it doesn't smell like burning oil, and the bus is now empty. But the guy tells us it's okay.
interested.
And as we made it to Liberia, our bus to Punta Arenas was leaving. So we had to run to this bus, and the guy was like, because he'd just left the station, and some really nice taxi driver came up to us, was like, "I'll take you to the next stop, I'll take you to the next stop, so we'll race it." So we fanged it past the bus, got to the next bus station. I wish I filmed it, and then got off, ran into the bus, just made it. And for half the ride we had to sit on the floor, which was not so nice. But yeah, it was a 4-hour drive in that bus, and it was probably the hottest I've ever been in my life. Like, it was like being in a sauna for 4 hours. But then we made it to Punta Arenas. Yeah, it's a weird town. And yeah, that's my story. Yeah.
Heyo! What is up? So I'm in the town of Punta Arenas, and today I'll be heading towards Santa Teresa. I have to get a ferry and then 2 buses. But this town is it's really cool. It's really quiet. Kind of rough, but in a nice way. It is what it is. Hopefully it'll be a nice smooth ferry ride. It's so empty here. I can't find the ferry. I don't know where it is, and I think it goes in like 20 minutes, so I might be screwed. I've asked 3 people and they've all told me different directions, so that's a good sign. I made it.
Heyo! Alrighty, so I'm running late, sorry. But I'm about to meet up with some friends, and we're gonna rent some quad bikes or ATVs, and we're gonna boost it to this town called Montezuma and check out a waterfall and go swimming and do some exploring. Woo! We good? We made it.
You made what?
What? We made it to Montezuma. Time for the waterfall. Follow the path, they say. You'll find the waterfall at the end of the path. I feel like we're on our way to Helm's Deep. Woo! It's hot. I don't know the lyrics either. Let's make them up.
Don't go chasing
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. We're so good at this. That's what the rope's for. There you go. Yeah. Oh, easy, man. Fuck it easy. No pain, no gain in the jungle. Look how big that tree is.